Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest content. Today, I am super excited to introduce you to the ultimate solution for your wardrobe organization, the Pants Clothing Storage Box Wardrobe Clothes Storage Organizers Cabinet Drawer Organizer Underwear T-Shirt Sweater Storage Box. This incredible storage box is designed to keep your clothing items neatly organized and easily accessible, making it a must-have for anyone looking to declutter and streamline their wardrobe. With its adjustable dividers in multiple compartments, this storage box is perfect for storing all kinds of clothing items, from pants and underwear to t-shirts and sweaters. The transparent design also allows you to easily see what's inside, so you can quickly find what you need without rummaging through messy drawers. And the best part? It's made of durable and environmentally friendly material, ensuring that your clothing is kept safe and secure. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast with a large wardrobe or someone looking to make the most of limited storage space, this storage box is the perfect solution for you. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers and overstuffed wardrobes, and say hello to a perfectly organized and clutter-free closet. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Pants Clothing Storage Box Wardrobe Clothes Storage Organizers Cabinet Drawer Organizer Underwear T-Shirt Sweater Storage Box and take the first step towards a more organized and efficient wardrobe. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more great content coming your way. See you in the next video.